7 habits that can make you rich. Intelligence, talent, and charm are wonderful, but they aren't always what separates the wealthy from the poor. Instead, the distinctions are found in our daily habits. People are creatures of habit, and many of us are also creatures of debt. What practices led us there? How did we get into the habit of worrying constantly about paying off debt, paying off loans, and avoiding collection calls? Most of it was just habit. If you want to be rich, on the other hand, you also have to start it with your habits. The sooner you develop clever ones, the more likely you are to attain 7 figures. Here are the 5 practices that have helped individuals accomplish objectives like financial independence or early retirement. 1. Never wish. Set goals and make a plan to reach them. Author Napoleon Hill spoke with hundreds of prosperous business people for Think and Grow Rich, one of the most well-known and influential books about money and wealth ever published, to learn how they achieved their success. In his book, Hill states, "Wishing will not bring wealth. However, having a desire for wealth that becomes an obsession, preparing specific strategies to achieve it, and pursuing those plans with persistence and a refusal to admit defeat will result in riches." 2. Avoid gambling. 77% of those who struggle with money play the lotto each week. Wealthy people seldom ever play the numbers. Rich people don't base their fortunes on random good fortune. They create their own luck. Use funds from your entertainment budget if you decide to gamble despite recognizing the risk. 3. Live within your means. Rich individuals avoid spending too much by taking care of their future selves first. They live on the remaining 80% of their net income after saving 20% of it. Nearly majority of individuals who are having financial difficulties are living over their means. They're drowning in debts as a result of spending more money than they make. Make it a habit to save money and stick to a spending plan if you want to put an end to your financial troubles. 4. Make several different sources of revenue. Author and financial planner Corley spent 5 years researching millionaires. Corley spoke with 233 individuals with net assets of $3.2 million and annual gross incomes of at least $160,000. There were 177 of them, and the majority were self-made millionaires. Prior to earning their first $1 million, Corley observed that 65% of the rich had at least 3 separate sources of income established. Poor individuals only have one source of income, he noted. Their entire portfolio is in one basket. Do you know only 8.8% of women and 8% of men hold 2 or more jobs, according to a 2019 US Census Bureau research? Therefore, your sole source of income is generally not going to be sufficient to save you if you lose your work, have a medical emergency, or fall behind on your obligations. 5. Avoid unhealthy relationships. Wealth accumulation is greatly influenced by psychology. It may seem cliched, but a can-do mentality is a requirement. If you hang around with individuals who can't do anything, it's difficult to keep one. Only 4% of low-income individuals, according to Corley, associate with success-minded individuals. If you surround yourself with the appropriate people, you will only succeed in life, he stated. In other words, individuals who are upbeat, optimistic, inquiring, and helpful. 6. Skip the TV and spend less time browsing the internet. How much of your precious time do you waste watching a screen? 63% of rich individuals spend less than an hour per day online unless it's for work, and 2/3 of them watch less than an hour of TV every day. These successful individuals, on the other hand, use their leisure time focusing on their personal growth, networking, volunteering, doing side jobs or side enterprises, or pursuing some other purpose that will pay off in the future. However, 77% of the people who are having financial difficulties spend an hour or more each day watching TV, and 74% use the internet for leisurely purposes for an hour or more each day. 7. Invest. The sole purpose to save money is to one day invest it because that is how you will become really rich. In actuality, your level of saving and investing may be more significant than your income. In I Will Teach You to Be Rich, personal finance guru Ramit Sethi notes that millionaires often invest 20% of their annual family income. Their worth is determined by their long-term savings and investments, not by how much money they make annually. As you can see, there are certain straightforward and occasionally obvious but not insignificant differences between the rich and the poor. Try to adopt all 7 of these habits and you'll almost certainly improve your situation. If you enjoyed, do not forget to subscribe and you will never miss a video from us. Thank you for watching.